In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Canva. By the end, you'll be able to underline a single word, a short phrase, or an entire block of text with confidence, and you'll know the quickest way to apply it. Start by opening your design project in Canva. Once your canvas is on screen, click the text you want to edit. If you click once and see a box appear around the text element, Canva treats that as selecting the entire text box. Any formatting you apply now, including underline, will affect all the text inside that box. If that's exactly what you want, you're ready to underline everything in one go. If you only want to underline specific words or a sentence, double-click inside the text box to place your cursor, then click and drag over just the portion you want to underline. You should see that exact section become highlighted. With your text highlighted, look up to the toolbar that appears above your design. You'll see formatting options like font, size, color, and alignment. Find the U icon with a line underneath it. That's the underline button. Click it once to apply the underline to your selection. If you clicked it with the whole text box selected, the underline will apply to all the text in that box. If you made a mistake, click the same icon again to remove it, or press undo to step back. You can make this even faster with a keyboard shortcut. While your text is highlighted, press Ctrl+U to toggle the underline on or off. This works when your cursor is active inside the text and the part you want is selected. If nothing happens, click inside the text again and try the shortcut once more. A few helpful tips as you work. If you don't see the top toolbar, it usually means no text is selected. Click the text to bring it back. For precise selections, zoom in so it's easier to drag over exact characters. Underline is a visual style and follows your text color, so it won't change your font, size, or layout. If you need underlines in multiple spots, repeat the select and underline process for each area. And remember, you can toggle the underline off the same way you turned it on. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the text, or highlight just the part you want, then click the underline icon in the top toolbar. Or use Ctrl+U for a quick toggle. When you're done, review your design, make any final tweaks, and save your work.